Okay, today we're gonna make a smoothie. We got the Smush and Squish Smoothie Slime Kit. I cut open a couple of the bags of slime. Have a scent too. This one smells like orange. This one smells like cherry, and they're spilling out. The green smells like apple, and the blue, I'm not sure exactly, but that smells like kind of like an oceany smell. So what we have to do is take this off, pour in the slime. Here goes very watery slime. That one. The yellow. It's time to get a little messy. Ooh, look at that. Next one, let's do the cherry. That goes in there. Shake it out, shake it out. Last but not least, have orange. Pour that in there. Got my hands nice and sticky. Wipe this on a napkin. I'm gonna pour in a little bit of glitter. Give it some sparkle. A little bit of sparkle. There we go. Couple of colored beads. Okay, stuck to my finger. Now, I think some came out already. There it goes. Wait, I gotta mix it first. Spin. Chop it down. Ooh. Look at it coming out. Looks real pretty. It's like turquoise color. A lot of glitter. Spin it out. I think that might be all of it. Now, we get to add some toppings. A little bit of whipped cream on top. Let's add orange slices, pink slices, and some more colored sprinkles. Yum! Slimy. There we have our smoothie. And you can make another one. If you buy more slime, you can make even more and buy some more little cups. Take it out. This is what we got. Ooh, slimy slime.